Did you see that?
See what?
By the barn, something moved.
Let's go check it out.
Stay quiet, everyone's asleep. Move fast. Are you sure nobody's watching us?
Relax.
Moo, what's happening?
Quiet.
Meh. Quack?
Easy money tomorrow.
Old MacDonald?
Where are my animals?
Woof!
I'm trawling fly what carries bound to Gans.
Something is wrong.
When all the fees in
Someone took the... This is a truck mark.
Keep your eyes peeled, Max. Something's not right here. Oof. Max, be still. Grrr. Shh. What is that?
They are inside. Easy, Max. Wait for my signal.
I'm free!
Hey! 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 Let's run! We are safe together!
Thank you!
Friends, like the video.
Share with your friends!
For your next adventure.